In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Perplexity AI app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to let the installation finish smoothly without any confusion. First, open your Perplexity account. If you're on a computer, launch your preferred browser and head to the Perplexity website, then sign in so you're inside your account dashboard. If you're already signed in, great, you're ready to proceed. Keeping your account open ensures you're getting the official app from the source, which is the safest and most reliable way to install it. Next, click Account and Settings. You'll typically find this by selecting your profile icon or menu in the top corner. Inside Account and Settings, you're in the right place to manage everything related to your profile and devices. Taking this route avoids guesswork and keeps you on the verified download path. Now, click Install Apps. This section is designed to make installation straightforward. You should see the official options for different platforms presented clearly so you can pick the one that matches your device. If you're not sure which version you need, look for cues like your operating system name or device type. The Install Apps page is there to remove uncertainty and help you grab the correct app with a single click. Here, click Download and wait patiently until it's done. After you hit download, keep the window open and let the process complete. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a moment. It helps to stay on a stable connection, avoid putting your device to sleep, and make sure you have enough storage space so the download doesn't stall. Some systems may show a quick confirmation or a progress indicator. This is normal. If you see a brief prompt asking you to allow the download, that's also standard for verified apps from trusted sources. Let the download run to 100% without interrupting it. Once the download finishes, you've successfully completed the essential part of getting the Perplexity AI app from the official channel. If anything seems slow, give it a bit more time. Larger files can take longer, especially on busy networks. And if the download button doesn't respond right away, a quick page refresh while staying signed in can help. That's all there is to it. You opened your Perplexity account, went into Account and Settings, selected Install Apps, clicked Download, and let it finish. Thanks for watching and enjoy using the Perplexity AI app.